in this tutorial we are going to learn how to crochet this single crochet ribbing technique. It's a very easy and beginner friendly pattern. So now let's begin. We start our stitch with a slip knot. Just watch carefully. It's a very easy and beginner friendly way to make a slip knot. Here we go. So alright, now we will make a foundation chain. The chain counting will be any number. It's totally up to your project size. So now let's start making chain stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. Again grab the yarn and pull it through. So we have 2 chains. Here I am going to make a total number of 15 chains. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here we go for the last one. Okay, so this is our chain, foundation chains completed. So in the next row we will make one single crochet. We will make one single crochet in each stitch across. So now let's begin. We'll make our single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Here is the first one and here is the second one. So insert your hook in the chain stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through the stitch. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Now again grab the yarn and pull it through these 2 loops. So here it is our first single crochet completed. So by repeating the same, we will make one single crochet across the end. So the first row of single crochet have been completed. Now only one stitch left in the last one. So we'll make one more single crochet to complete this row. Alright, now to begin a second row, just watch carefully. For the beginning of the second row, we will make chain 1 here, chain 1. Now turn your work. Alright, so in this row we are going to make front post single crochet. So how we make the front post single crochet is just insert your hook from front to the back, then again to the front like this. Now make a single crochet like we do. 2 loops. See, this is our very first front post single crochet completed. Now again insert your hook, watch carefully, from front to back, and again take it out from this side. Grab the yarn and carefully pull it through. We have 2 loops. Now yarn over and pull it through both loops. Again insert your hook and take it out from the other side. Grab the yarn and just take it from this side. Now again grab the yarn and pull it through these 2 loops. So here we have done our second front post single crochet. Now by repeating the same technique, we make front post single crochet in all the stitches across. So just keep this, repeating this stitch across the end. Alright, we have crocheted the front post single crochet in all the stitches across. So here we left are the last stitch. In this we are going to make 1 single crochet to finish this row. 1 single crochet. So here our second row completed. Now again chain 1 and turn your work, and in this second space, just watch carefully, in this second space we will make our first single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Simply 1 single crochet in each stitch across here. Alright, one more single crochet in the last stitch to complete this row number 2. So the single crochet row has been completed. Now chain 1 and turn your work, and again we are going to make front post single crochet in all stitch across. So this is a 2 row repeat pattern for the ribbing, single crochet ribbing. It gives a very nice and beautiful texture to your work, and the super good thing is that even the beginners can make this stitch very quickly and easily. So now here we are going to make front post single crochet in each stitch across. So just keep on doing and repeating this pattern. Alright, so we have reached at the end of the stitch. Now in the last stitch we will going to make 1 single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn your work, and in this row we are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch across like this, and just keep on repeating this pattern for the ribbing texture stitch. This is how the single crochet ribbing texture looks like. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.